If you need to convert PDF to Excel or extract specific data from virtually any PDF into a spreadsheet, I'm about to make your life a whole lot easier. My company's been building custom spreadsheets for businesses for more than a decade, and one of the stickiest problems we've come across in the past is how to automate data extraction from PDFs like invoices, purchase orders, leases, contract documents, timesheets, price lists, bid documents, you name it. But now a tool has come out that has just completely revolutionized the way this is done, and it's so easy to use. In fact, instead of me describing it, let me just go ahead and show you how awesome this is. I'm going to show you how you can start using it today, and the best thing is you can start using it completely for free. So let's dive in. If you want to follow along, you can go ahead and hit pause on the video, click the link in the description below, and go ahead and create a free account with lido.apps, and then you can just use whatever PDF you have on your computer and run it alongside what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to be using an example of invoices today, but remember, this works on virtually anything. So you can follow along these same exact steps using whatever PDF format you need to do it on. So the first thing we're going to do is come to your home screen in Lido once you get signed in, and then you're just going to click New File, and it's going to open up a new spreadsheet. This looks just like if you're used to Excel, Google Sheets, same thing. So we've got that pulled up now. Now I'm going to do Extract Data, and it's going to pull up a window here where I can click to upload, or I can drag and drop. You can see all kinds of different documents. Today we're going to use PDFs again as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the File Explorer where I have my example invoices stored, and we're going to take 5 PDFs, drop them in, and you'll see it'll upload them very quickly. And then I'm going to show you what these invoices look like because they're all extremely different. So, okay, it's already uploaded all of them. I'm going to open up the PDF that I just uploaded. So these are invoices from a bunch of different vendors for an event company, and you'll notice that because they're coming from different vendors, they're formatted completely differently. So this one has things in a pretty nice table, which would be pretty easy typically to extract or not too bad. But then this next one would be awful. This would be a nightmare normally to try to get out of a PDF automatically. You can see it has an invoice number, and just all this is just text. There's no tables. This one sort of quasi between the two. But what you can notice is that all of these are formatted completely differently. They have different information in them. And so those are the 5 that we're using in an example. So I've just uploaded those raw PDFs exactly like I just showed them to you right there. And now let's see what the tool has done already on its own. So it's extremely intelligent, and it's automatically populated which columns it thinks I would want to fill out. So you can see it's grabbed item, quantity, unit price, total price, invoice number, invoice date. And it is automatically, if I drag and move this out of the way, it's automatically put in those headers over here in my spreadsheet. So it's actually looking really good, but if I didn't like any of these, like maybe I don't like that it's unit underscore price, I can come in here and change that in the spreadsheet, and you'll notice it automatically changes over here. So these two are interactive, or they update automatically to reflect whatever you do in one or the other. So this actually was so smart that it pulled in automatically. And again, I didn't tell it anything. You're just seeing it live as I'm doing it. It automatically pulled in almost everything I need. The only thing I see that I would want that's not in here is what vendor the invoice came from. So I'm going to right click on the column A header and do insert column left. And let's say we want the vendor name to be picked up as well. So now you can see it automatically added vendor name over here. Now it's also added these extra instructions. So the extra instructions window here is where you can type to it in natural language, just like you would if you were telling an intern what you want them to do. So you just describe what you want done, and so it's automatically filled in some instructions to itself that it thinks might be helpful. So I could leave that in there, or I could take it out. I'm going to essentially leave it in there. I'm going to update it a little bit with my own description, and one of the things I'm going to tell it to do in here is that I want the vendor name. So the vendor name is the name of the company issuing the invoice, and it's typically displayed near the top of the document. Now, if I hadn't added that in there, honestly, it's probably smart enough where it'll pick it up anyway. But I'm giving you an example of the kind of instructions you can tell it. You could say, hey, completely ignore this wherever you see it, or make sure you pick up that. So you can give it that added instruction. It's especially helpful for tweaking it if the first time it gives you a result, if there's anything wrong with it, you can give it some instructions to help it do it better at that point. And you also want to make sure you have this extract multiple rows per document clicked. And now we're ready to watch the magic happen. So you could see I'm walking through and explaining it. If I was just doing this myself, that would have taken 20 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and click Process All Files. And you can see the progress on each of these. Boom, it's already got all of them. Now check this out. It's just built a table that accurately picked up the vendor names from every one of the invoices It's got all of the items from those invoices pulled in automatically, what the quantity was, what the price was, the total price, invoice number, invoice date, and all of this came in, again, completely automated and completely accurate. And so if I had these 5 invoices to do, maybe this would have saved me like 15, 20 minutes and helped me to eliminate a bunch of errors potentially, or the potential for error as I'm transferring data from the PDF to Excel manually. But what's really awesome is imagine I had not 5 invoices, but 500 or 50 or 100. It would do the exact same thing for that quantity of invoices. It would just take it a few more seconds. So it's an extremely powerful and intelligent tool, and you can see how easy it is to set up. So I'm going to close this out because we already have all the data we need here. And the last thing I want to show you, because you might be thinking, well, yeah, this is cool, but it's in a web thing called Lido.apps. What if I wanted in Excel or Google Sheets? Let me show you that really quick because it's extremely easy. So it's going to take a total of 2 steps. I'm going to come up here to File and go to Export Values to Excel. And now, boom, I've got a spreadsheet with all the exact same data in it. So 3 quick things and we will wrap up. So first of all, if you're enjoying this video, you know what to do. Hit like, subscribe, the notification icon helps us out a lot. Secondly, let me know in the comments below if you're liking this tool, if you're excited about it, maybe how you could see yourself using it, what problems you have that this could solve. And lastly, even though this tool is really simple and easy to use, if you've got a more complicated use case or you're running into any kind of trouble, the Lido Apps customer service team is outstanding. They can help you. We can also help you get past any hurdles that you come across. And also along with that, if this is part of a bigger process that you're working with in Excel and you need some more automation, maybe once you get the data from a PDF into Excel, you want to be able to automatically have it visualize, transformed into a visualization like a dashboard, or you need to automatically do some data analysis. Whatever the case may be, we build custom tools like that for our clients every single day. We'd be glad to help you. You can check out our information in the description. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.